Oh. Oh. Oh, di ba? Ganda. Okay ba? Kasi, ano pa? Ay, wala akong AI eh. Ano yan? Walang AI.
AI.
AI ito, nakalagay AI. Ano yun? Ay!
Oh my God!
Bakit?
Oh! Oh my God!
Bakit? Nasira? Nasira ko?
Lumakas! What the hell, man? What's up, guys? You see the start. My mom accidentally makes the volume to the max. But anyways, we're gonna be reacting to Couldn't Walk for 2 years by Shortcake. But you know me, I'm a random reactor. When something random, I am changing colors. 3, 2, 1. When something random is in the video, the plot will be, I will be reacting to that. I'm the random reactor. To the last video, we're also gonna be rating how random it is from 1 to 10. What is it again? Rarity, reason why it should or it itself rare. How well can you memorize it, and how unpredictable is the
Sira yung
next part?
tripod dito. Sira. Ah, hindi ko pa na-register. Kaya pala. Hindi ka na-register
Scan.
yung fingerprint.
Scan. Oh my
Scanning
God.
mo.
Ay, naku.
Bakit ba? Ano ka ba?
Nasanay na sa register.
Oo. Ano, gusto mo pa register? Ayaw, dito na lang.
Ano ba yan? Bakit yan? Ano ba yan?
Ano, register ko? Akin na, isa. I-register ko. Paano mabuksan ko to?
Ano ba yan?
I-register ko lang, sandali.
Nasanay na.
I-register ko nga eh. Sandali, ang kulit mo ah. I-register ko, sandali. Oh. Oh. Oh, yan. Ah.
Bakit?
Oh, di ba na-register?
Ano kinunan mo dyan? Oh my God.
Register dyan.
Oh my God. What the hell?
Ayaw talaga eh. Sira yung ano. Sira yung sensor. Sorry. Sira yung sensor ko.
Eh di, lagay mo dun sa basurahan.
Sira yung sensor.
Samsung.
Hindi binabasa.
Samsung 1.
Nang-aapi ka ba, Soren? Ha? Nang-aapi ka ng cellphone ko? Ha? Ina mo, mahal to. Oppo A to. Oppo A A90 97.
What?
A 1997.
1990. Ingkong pa.
Oppo A yan! Ano cellphone ko? Oppo A. Oppo
Nauupuan na.
A 1997.
Nauupuan na.
Hindi ba Apo? Apo A.
Oppo A, nauupuan na.
So baka mapang episode. Ganyan ka sa cellphone ko. Ganyan ka sa cellphone ko. Napakaganda nito. Ha? Alam mo ba kung magkano to? 16,000 to.
Hmm?
16,000. Mami. 16,000 yan, oh.
16,000.
Ikaw talaga.
Oh my God.
Nakakita ng cellphone na may buntot. Ha? Lumubog. Sobra ang lubog.
Oh my God.
Pagtataka-taka yung pag marunong tumingin, ha? Dito pa lang halata niya na. Oo.
Yung tanda na niyan.
Oh. Hindi. Na chikadora lang tong cellphone na to. Kung kahit hindi niya pansin to, dito lang. Bakit nakapasok? Ang dami. Dapat nakaangat yan. Diba? Yan palang halata mo na.
Wala. Bilan.
Wala po.
Bilan.
Sarado!
Bilan na ako.
Wala po. Anyways, let's get back to the video. Hi, I'm changing colors. Do I already...
Hindi na, magkape na tayo.
Magkanton?
O, sino ba yung hayop na yun?
Di ko alam.
Hindi ko makita yung mukha eh.
Kung basketball.
Ayoko masyadong agresibo.
Not 2 years again. Oh my God, wait.
Sino na kala mo kung sino? Lalo ko inaayawan yun.
When I was born, I couldn't walk for... What?
Pwede kong bentahan, kaya lang. Ayoko masyadong agresibo. Kala mo katulong mo binibentahan.
In the middle, 20...
Takbo pa para sa kanya. Diba?
Not in the middle, 2025. When I was born, I couldn't walk. Of course, thank you. Oh my God, B. What? He's just joking. Reaction cats. What the hell? Anyway, I mean, anyone can't walk for 2 years. For 2 years. But this was 2 years ago. I never knew what the hell is this. I actually watched 1/8 somewhere like that. This Asyad. Okay. As usual. But I actually heard one word that made me remember. And there's also one thing happened to me that made me remember. Both of those must happen twice. Yeah. No, this is not happening to me. It just made me remember that. I was planning to react to this video. I forgot when I was like, manghang. Forget about this woman. Then, of
Hindi ko
course.
alam kung ano yung sinabi niyang kung hapunan natin to o hindi. Anong oras na ba?
3, 2, 1.
O, pag wala pa siya ng alas 6, mag-dispute na lang tayo. Kasi magkukulan na to eh. Gusto mo ba yun? Magulan na to, no? Ay! O kaya magkukulan lang tayo ulit. O, malayo ang mararating ng buhay eh. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Kaya hanggang ngayon wala pa. Kasi kung dyan lang yun, nako, nakabalik na yun agad. Kaya yung malayo.
So, maybe maybe I can learn something about physics. So, but maybe I can learn about something about the physics. I was fast asleep to you, not bragging, so I didn't. No, I can't. I didn't watch this part before.
Hindi na kung saan sorry. Ito ba yung kanina? O ito?
Ito.
Ito yung suot mo kaganina, promise?
Opo.
Ito yung nasa kama mo eh. Saka ito yung amoy ano eh. Ito amoy ano eh. Amoy ano eh. Wala. Dadaanin mo na amoy. Amoy victory na yun.
What? Is that malnutrition? Anyways, why is almost all of drawings is talking about medical issues? What in biology? I'm not a doctor. Come on. I I would react like the same thing. Wait. It need 2-player. Do you have any friends that can push it? Or you're just lifting and then letting the trolley slide that make you push? Wait. Is that a motorcycle? Exercise, probably. Maybe you should do exercise more often. Squats. Dude. Muscles regenerate. Good choice. What? Never. This is why I think biology is confusing. This is why I never became a doctor. Because exercise also kind of rupture your muscle and regenerate it back. So, was I wrong? So maybe that's why they didn't do it, because it will make it quicker. Or I don't know biology. 20. 20. What the hell?
Sinabi ko na nagdaragan lang nyo. Ganyan eh. Ano ha? Ano naman ako?
I'm gonna shoot this. Yeah. I want to sponge. Yeah. Maybe that will fail to the exercise. You didn't exercise sooner. I mean, of course. Wait, what is it like? Like, it literally walk like a turtle, and you literally have to sit like like there's a stick in your back, there's a string in your back that's pushing same, same pole magnet, and you're in your chair and and in your back, and you're trying to sit on. So, I mean, of course it's a lot. Pumps. I didn't have ad blocker then. I didn't have ad blocker.
Karen! Ganito sa'yo? Apon?
Ano po?
Ganito apon.
Bakit ka apple?
Ayoko naman ganyan. Eh, gusto ko lang po. Wala ka buhay mo, huwag kang ganyan ha. Paano ka ha?
Test apple na lang?
Oo, syempre.
Hindi naman yung apple orange.
Ayun na lang. Paano ka?
Apple na lang.
Hindi ka naman bilang apon. Maganyan mo ko. Hindi kita bigyan ng kapo. Oh, dahan-dahan. Mahuhulog naman yung ano eh. Ulog mo ah.
Thank you. Thank you. That's exactly what I
Oh.
did.
Pati tayo ha. Magwawalit. Nag-ano pa. Sa'yo ah, may masos. Ah, ayun na. Dalawang plato pa ba tayo? Tama yun. Ito sa'yo, kabila ah. Ito akin ah. Yan yung hati ah. Hoy, yan yung hati ah.
Ayaw mabutas.
Mahina ka. Yan. Hulog pa.
We all know.
Oh. Ayun na. Marami na yan sa'yo ha. Oh, inalo pa dito. Talaga naman. Oh. Sorry. Halo na yan eh. Nalo mo pa dito sa... Hindi mo nahuhulog. Ano ba naman yan?
Hindi pa halo eh.
Hindi pa halo. Halo ko na nga yan eh. Sabi halo ko na eh. Kaya mo tiwala. Hoy! Ayan yung hati. Ganyan na. Sarado. Hmm? Ako tumatot lang sarado. Sino yan? Sino ka? Ano ba sinabi sarado? Sarado po! Oo. Wala rin yung eh. Ano mo kayo mo? Paano yung sinabi sarado? Hindi mo na kayo kita. Naman, 1,000 pa yan eh. Wala akong pamalit yan. Kala mo, sigas kong yun. Wala ko pa kayo hair.
What?
Thank you.
Oh! Wala. Thankfully. I didn't catch that. So, easy to remember is it's immediately feel like 5 because I didn't remember anything. Hey, why am I here? Why? Oh my god, it's so annoying. There's a fact that I want you to know. Too much noise. Of headset or earring can trap all the.
Wala na ba? Kasi na naman yan, oh.
Can trap. Can trap the earbuds at the back of earwax at the back of the ear. Can trap compact can make your hearing more loss. So yeah, don't over loud in your headset. Wala.
Hindi ko mabentahan yung Red Horse. Baka 1,000 ang pera, hindi ko makaryahan. Kaya mga nagsisiga-sigaan ah. Akala mo po, nakilala ka. Patrino, pastalino na. Diba? Mismo nga makakilala ko, hindi ako pagkilala. Bakit yung nilaki ko na yan? Diba? Akala mo, pagbibigyan ka na kasi kung kakilala ka o ano, tayo close mo. Pag sarado, sarado. Dadaan sa kakilala ka na lalo. Nakakakilala nga ako, hindi ako bibigyan. parang hindi mo pala ako kilala.
There's a Walmart trolley. Is this the trolley you're talking about? Is this what make your speed faster or shopping cart? Like this. What is this? Shopping cart. You like scooting like? How does that even work? You know what? I ain't complaining. I pick it as 4. Rarity, I feel it should be belong to 4 because I never seen one in my entire life. The reason it should be rare is probably, I don't know, also 4 because if I rank it so common, almost everyone has this kind of stuff, but if I rank it so high, none of people have this stuff. Should have this stuff. I feel like it's 5 because I forgot what trolley they using trolley. She's using trolley. Oh, what trolley is like, so I kind of forget about that. So I search it and that's what I didn't know Walmart has a trolley like that. And for the last part, it's unpredictable. Is it? Though there's many outcomes that unpredictable. If I cannot predict that, so it may be 3. 4, 4, 5, 3. I cannot predict the exercise, so it may be 3. I never predict the trolley though. I'm poking holes. So 4, 5, maybe 4. 4, 4, 5, 4. 4, 8, 12, 17 out of. Wait, does that it's not. Is it not random at all? Four plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 7. No, the result the result is 17. So 4, 8, 12, 2 plus 5 is 17. So yeah, that's probably not random at all, I think. Maybe it's biased or not. But anyways, like and subscribe to the video and see you next time. Then share this video, maybe spam it into comments or call your family to grow this channel, help this channel. It will make this channel a lot better. See you guys next time.